Hello and welcome to the Unreal Engine 5 animation retargeting tutorial. Today I will show you how you can retarget any animation to any skeleton. In this tutorial I will be using the Unreal Engine Mannequin Asset Pack and animations from Mixamo. You can find a link to both in the description. Let's start by navigating to the source mesh, the export from Mixamo, whose animation we want to retarget. Right-click the skeletal mesh, go to Create, then create IK rig and create a new IK rig. Right-click the hit bone and set it as a retarget root. Next, I recommend looking at the mannequin IK rig chains and recreating them with the same name in your IK rig. This will make it easier for the Retargeter Asset to automatically assign them. Don't worry about bones that are not on your mesh. You only need to set up the bones that match. After setting up the chains, go back to the content browser, right-click and navigate to Animation, Retargeting and create a new Retargeter asset. In the asset, set your created IK rig as the source IK rig and the mannequin IK rig as the target. Then go to the top right and click on Running Retarget, so it now says Editing Retarget Pose. Now align the bone rotation as good as possible. Now you're ready to retarget your animation. Go to your animation, right-click it and select Retarget Animation. Untick Auto-Generate Retargeter and select your created Retargeter asset. Select the animations you want to retarget and click on Export Animations. Congratulations! You now know how to manually retarget your animation. I showed you the manual way of doing it first because this is most helpful if your skeleton mesh diverges from the standard Unreal Engine 5 mannequin skeleton. If you slowly use Mixamo animations, you can also auto-generate the Retargeter asset, so let's do this now. Go back to the retargeting menu and tick Auto-Generate Retargeter, then export the retarget asset. Come back to the retargeting menu and select the generated Retargeter asset and export your animations. The generated asset is very good for most animations. So far, I've only had some issues with finger positions, but these can be manually adjusted in the Retargeter asset. Now you know how to retarget animations in Unreal Engine 5. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!